We are going to make a pattern for our clay project before we start. What you're going to do is turn your paper long ways, so hot dog style, and I'm going to measure down 3 inches. On the Blick rulers, both sides are inches. One is just eighths and the other one is sixteenths. So I measure down 3 inches. I put my paper across the paper, or my ruler across the paper, and it is 12 inches wide. I'm going to draw a line across, and then I'm going to put a tally mark at the 3, at the 6, and at the 9. My sides of my base, or my project, cannot be taller than 3 by 3. It will not fit in my kiln shelf, and this will also help it make it be square when we go to do it. So I have my 4 sides. Then below I'm going to make my base. My base is going to start off, the smallest size is 3 by 3, but it needs to be larger than that. Because if each one of my sides is a ½ an inch thick, and I put it on a 3 by 3 base, it is not going to work. It's going to be too small. So I'm just going to start with this square and then draw a shape around it to make my base. So if this is my base, I'm going to draw whatever shape I want it to be. If I want it to be square, maybe I just draw a 4 by 4 inch box. Okay, so there's my base. Then I'm going to go back to my tops. I can abstract the top and do whatever I want to the top, kind of like its hair, and then I go and make its faces. They can be goofy, they can be realistic, they can be whatever you want them to look like. You could do a theme if you want to do them all animals, fine. That's whatever you would like it to be. I'm going to do one for each side. They're each going to be different. I could do them realistically if I wanted to. Okay, it's up to you what you want to do. After I've done all of this, I'm going to take a pair of scissors and I'm going to cut out my sides. When I do my sides, I'm going to cut this little zigzag part at the top, because what's going to happen is we're going to use these like a cookie cutter. Okay, we're going to lay them down on the clay and trace around them, and then we get the exact same shape. So it's like we're making cookies out of dough. This will also make sure that they're all the same size. We're good to go in that. I continue on with my base. I'm going to cut around this outside edge here. Once I'm done cutting out all these pieces, I'm going to place them inside my Ziploc baggie that I was given. I'm going to write my name on it with a Sharpie marker and my team. All these pieces then are going to go inside my baggie. If I didn't get all of them finished, that's fine. I slide it in and I put it inside my cabinet on my shelf. The next day, we will be creating or rolling out our clay to make and using these to cut those pieces out.